Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can sync your Trello account with Google Calendar really quickly and without any prior expertise in working with Trello. So drop a like and let's get started. Now guys, doing this is very simple. All you will need to do is head over to Trello, of course, access your workspace and a board. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go with that board here. And what you want to do after that inside your board here in Trello is click on these three dots in the top right corner and select power-ups from that menu below. Here inside the power-ups, what you want to do guys is use the search bar here and type in calendar. So let me do that really quickly, and you will see a calendar power-up suggested below. So click on it, add it to your board or to your Trello account by clicking on add here. Wait for the installation to be processed. It shouldn't take it more than a few seconds, and after that you can close that window here and that one as well. And after that you will see that power up or calendar power up listed here amongst these tabs. So click on it, and after that you will see that calendar overview for the current month. So what you want to do guys is simply click on that gear icon in the top right corner of your calendar and enable the sync by clicking on this button. And last but not least, make sure that you copy this entire link here, that your calendar feed here, by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. And in the last step, head over to your Google Calendar and make sure that you click on this plus icon here next to other calendars and select from URL from that drop-down menu and paste the URL. You copy, for example, here in your Trello calendar, and confirm by clicking on add calendar here. That is going to sync your Google Calendar with your calendar on Trello with all the assignments, tasks, and cards, as you can see. And that's basically it guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.